In this video, we will share all documents required for your newly registered company business bank account creation in UAE. Here's how to do it seamlessly by yourself if your consultant did not apply for your bank account. First of all, you'll need your company registration certificate. This proves your business is officially recognized. Next, you need your trade license of newly registered company. Without trade license, you can't open company or business bank account. If you have shareholders, then you have to provide all shareholders' details to bank. The bank can require details about your buyers, clients, and suppliers' information. This helps the bank understand your business network. You will need passport copies, both yours and your shareholders also. You also have to provide estimated annual sales revenue of your business. This gives the bank a financial forecast of your business. In my case, I provided estimated annual sales revenue of AED 300K. Lastly, a company declaration authorizing you to open the account is crucial. This document makes it all official when your company authorizes you on company letterhead, with all the company details signed and stamped that this is the legal person who can open our company account. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll guide you on creating a Noon Seller account. See you then.